Struggling to add stickers in CapCut? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's get started. Just import the video you want to add the stickers into. Drag the video to the timeline like this. Now in the editing section, you can find stickers right here. Click on it. Scroll through the available stickers. If you don't like it from here, you can search for the stickers from the search bar right here. Click on it and search for the stickers you want to add and hit enter. Now click on the sticker you want to add. Click on it and it will automatically appear on your video timeline. As you can see, it has appeared. Now drag and drop the sticker on the timeline. On the preview screen right here, you can resize, rotate or move the stickers to fit your video perfectly like this. Resize it from here like this. You can also rotate it like this. Now use the animations right here. Click on animations. Add from here. You can also add multiple stickers. Repeat the same process to add as many stickers as you need. Let me add one more. Let's drag it here and adjust its duration like this. Repeat the same process. Let me keep it in the middle like this. You can add animations from here. Let's keep it here. Now let me play the video for you to see how it looks. As you can see, the video is looking perfect. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking the export button at the top right here. And that's it. That's how you keep the stickers in the CapCut. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.